Yeah, please read first question. Before this year.
Before this Before this year, I days moved out of my parents' house because I did not have a job.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, which one will be
I
right?
cannot
Yeah, I cannot move out of my parents' house because I did not have a job, right? So here, this is not a possibility. This is, yeah, I cannot move. Okay. Yeah, and next one.
But now that I have finished college and have a job, I realize that living at a home does drive my parents and me crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Would
Yeah, I realized that living at home would drive my parents and me crazy, right? Yeah, would. And third one.
Unfortunately, it's not so easy to find an apartment in the city.
Mm-hmm.
Without an agent, you does not be able to find all the available things.
Mm-hmm. Listings. Yeah, possibility. This is a possibility. Yeah, without an agent,
My
you. Yeah, without an agent, you. Yeah, you might not be able to find all the available listings. Okay, might. And fourth one.
Before now, I could not sign a lease, but now I does because I am 21.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but now I.
I can.
Yeah, now I can because I am 21, right? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. And fifth one.
I asked my friends to help me move because I knew that I does fit all my possessions into my little car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is an inability. Yeah, inability. Okay. I knew that.
I could not.
I asked my friends to help me move because I knew that. Yeah, yeah. Which one you said? Last one, right?
Could not.
Yeah, last one, right? Couldn't, right? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Actually, cannot be able to. That is a wrong construction. We cannot use able with the can. Okay, both are almost same, so we cannot use it together. And this do, I want, do is also not the right one to use with the able. I won't be able to is okay. I won't be. Couldn't be is also not possible. So here not able to. But here, but the subject is I. There should be an auxiliary verb. I am. So couldn't is the right answer. Okay. And sixth one.
My best friend said I does help you move next week.
Yeah, this is an offer. My best
I
friend
would
said,
be able to. Would be able to.
yeah, my best friend said I would be able to help you move next week. Yeah, I would be able to. This is an offer, so I would be able to. Okay, and seventh one.
He added,
Mhm.
I days help earlier in the morning, then later in the afternoon.
Yeah, yeah. This is a preference. Preference means he added, I
I
dash.
would like,
Uh, he added. Actually, this is a preference. So would rather. Would rather means prefer. I prefer to. So would rather is the answer. I think. Anyway, we will check it because see, this is a preference. I prefer to help earlier in the morning than later in the afternoon. I prefer to. That is also possible. Prefer to and would rather. Same construction. I would rather help earlier in the morning than later in the afternoon. I would rather. Okay, would rather is a uh, phrase as soon as well as, like that. Would rather is it goes together, so we cannot separate would rather. Okay, so I would rather. See, I would like will not come because there should be an two. There should be a two. I would like to help, but there is no help. You got my point?
yes, sir.
Yeah. He added, I would help. That is also not possible. Okay. This is a preference, so that's why would rather. Yeah. Read this one, eighth one.
My father also offered to help me move. He days really eager to have me out.
Yeah. My father also offered to help me move.
Is he?
Uh, he'll be really eager to have me move out. It's a conclusion. So, uh, see, it's a conclusion that means there is it's very certain. So he must be really eager to. Yeah, yeah. Conclusion means he, uh, he is very sure. He can easily conclude. Okay, there is no doubt in that. So he is very much sure. So if he is very sure, then which one will be the right one? He must be really eager to have me move out. But yeah, anyway, I go for this one. What do you? Which one you go for? Will or must?
Must,
Oh,
must.
okay. Yeah, anyway, we will check. Okay, ninth one.
Another friend told me that he days me move out, but he never showed up.
Mhm.
He would help.
Another friend told me that. Um, yeah, he would. Yeah, first one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, another friend told me that he would help me out, but he never showed up. Okay, that's correct. Tenth one.
With the help of three friends, I days get all my possessions into new condo.
Yeah. So this is managed to with the help of three friends. I managed to get all the possessions. So that should be the meaning. So we can replace managed to with what? With the help of three friends. So he managed, that is past tense, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will be the answer?
Was able to.
Yes. I was able to get all my possessions. Okay. 11th one.
My parents are happy for me, but
Mhm.
won't you spend all money each month? Save a little extra money for unexpected emergency.
Yeah. Yeah, my parents are happy.
First option.
Yeah, my parents are happy for me, but won't. You must spend all your money each month. Yeah, but won't, right? Yeah. First option. You mustn't spend all your money each month. Yeah. This is a warning, so that is a clue. Okay. And 12.
I know that everyone days save a little extra money, but it is hard with so many bills to pay.
Mhm. It's customary, expected behavior. So I know that everyone,
Is sup-
yeah, yeah, good. Everyone is supposed to, right? Everyone
yes,
is,
sir.
yeah, you know that construction supposed to. I was supposed to teach at 4 p.m., but I couldn't start the class at 4 p.m. Okay, so I was supposed to, because that is customary or that's expected thing, but that was not happen. Yeah, supposed to save. And supposed to be is also there. I was supposed to be there. Okay, I was supposed to be more. Adjective is also possible. I was supposed to be more polite, but I couldn't. I got angry, like that. Okay. Um, yeah, 13.
I made a few purchases.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing that I placed was furniture.
Yeah, it's a requirement. So the first thing that,
B.
no, B, I think B may not, which will never come, because had, I made a few, okay, I made a few purchases. The first thing that, yeah, yeah, it's a past tense, right? I had to have. Okay. Yeah, it's the requirements. Yeah, that's the B option. Yeah, I had to have. Yeah, this sentence, whole sentence, everything is past, right? Here made and here also was. And here we cannot use have, that is present, and had to is okay. I had to go there. Like have to have. And 14.
I danced on the wood floor, but it
Mhm.
was too hard. So
Mhm.
bought a sofa bed.
Mhm. Yeah, it's an option, not taken.
Not B.
Uh, I couldn't sleep on the wood floor, but it was too hard, so I bought a sofa bed. Yeah, B. And 15th,
It takes about a year until until I am able to completely finish my apartment.
it's a prediction. Yeah,
It
prediction
will
means
take.
it will take about a year until I'm able to complete furnish my apartment. Yeah, it will take. Yeah, sometimes will take, would take, little confusing, but we will check. Will take. 16. By this time next year.
By this time next year, I daze a lot about living independently.
Mhm. Yeah, by this time next year.
Once
Okay, this is a
learned,
clue. Huh?
I will have learned.
Yeah, time relative prediction. I must have earned, I will have earned. Okay, I will have earned. Turn off your pop-up blocker off. Oh. Okay, are you able to see the screen? The new screen? No. No, right?
No, sir, there will be a new window. Turn
Yeah,
your pop-up blocker off. Line.
yeah. So it's actually it's open. I can see. Let me close this one. Uh, okay. Yeah. Now are you able to see? Are you able to see?
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, yes, now it's visible. Now it's
Yeah.
visible.
Okay. Yeah. First one is wrong. Before this year, oh, actually, why it is wrong? What was the clue? One second. Let me check. Oh, there was no clue. Yeah, actually, before this year, why cannot is wrong. Before this year, I should not move out of my parents' house because I didn't have a job. No, answer is I could not. Could not expresses a past inability to do something. Oh, this year. Yeah, before this year. This is a whole thing is past, right? इस साल से पहले मतलब before this year I couldn't move out of my parents' house because I didn't have a job. Here this one is also past. So could not is the right answer. And the second one, But now I have finished college and have a job. I realize that living at home potentially could is the answer. Reason could expresses potential possibility in the both present and future. Okay, could can be used in present and future as a possibility. Okay, here now I have finished college and have a job. I realize that living at home could drive my parents and me crazy. This is a little bit tricky and confusing, but anyway, this explanation is good. Reason could expresses potential or possibility in the both present and future. Okay, so if the sentence is in present, don't ignore could. Sometimes could can also be an option. And would expresses prediction made in the past frame. Okay, would expresses prediction made in the past frame. I realized that it would drive my parents and me crazy. And will expresses a prediction in the present about a future time. I realized that it will drive my parents and me crazy. Okay, will expresses a prediction in the present, and would expresses a prediction made in the past. Okay, and could both present and future. But okay, could is not a prediction, would is a prediction. Okay, I think oh, 6 is also wrong. I will be able to. My best friend said, I will be able to help you move next week. Yeah, actually this is, the court is in uh, we cannot take it as a reported speech. My best friend said, then the direct speech. So in the direct speech he won't use the past one, right? This is a direct speech, so I will help you, I will be able to help you move next week. Will be able to express as a future ability. Okay, will be able to express as a future ability. Not that the speaker expresses an excuse by using would. Speaker expresses an excuse by using would, a reason why he cannot help. That means I would help, but I have a doctor's appointment. That means I would help. I thought that I can help, but I would help, but there is no chance. But I have a doctor's appointment. So a reason why he cannot help. So in that case, we can use would. Speaker expresses an excuse by using would. Okay. If we want to make some excuse, then we can use the word would. Yeah, we would help. But 7 is right, 8 is right, all else, oh, 14. Oh, see, I yeah, actually, I could have slept. When discussing past options or opportunities that we didn't take or do, we use the modal expression could have. I could have gone early, but I didn't. It was a lost opportunity. I could have gone, but I didn't go. That means it's a lost opportunity. So here I could have slept on the wood floor. मुझे वहाँ सो सकता था, लेकिन it was too hard. So I bought a sofa bed. So I didn't sleep on that wood floor. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, don't worry. We are learning. Let me try to save it. Oh, yes. Yeah, one pop-up game. Okay. Yeah, we will start another one. Okay. Yeah. Should I make it bigger? Is it okay?
It's fine, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, please read.
In California, you must have a driver license to drive a car.
Hmm.
Must,
Huh?
must.
Yes, yes, yeah. You must have. Okay. Uh, submit my answer. I can click here. Correct. Oh. Next. Okay, yeah.
While you are driving, you just listen to the radio. It's not necessary.
Okay. Yeah, which one is the right one?
Must,
While you are driving, you must listen to the radio. No, no. See, that is punishable, right? When we drive, we should not talk over the Bluetooth. So nowadays, car is having Bluetooth. So we on the drive, the steering itself, there is a button. If call comes, we can just press that button and we can talk. Now,
yes.
so, but that is also not allowed nowadays. While you are driving, you don't have to listen to the radio. It is not necessary. Or you must not. That is also okay. It is not necessary. Either must not or you don't have to. Which one you go for?
Uh, don't have to.
but I am not sure. But anyway, we will go for that. Submit. Oh, it's good. You don't have to listen to the radio, okay? Because why? It is not must not. If you are telling you must not listen to the radio, then that is finished. That is the conclusive sentence. But now, but here it is telling that it is not necessary. If you want, you can have. That is the thing. It is not necessary, but if you want, you can have, no problem. So this is kind of an advice, like we are not pressuring or we are not forcing. You don't need to or you don't have to listen to the radio. Okay. Yeah, this one.
If you plan to take a long trip in the car,
Mhm.
you dash get a full tank of gas or you might run out of gas.
Hmm. If you plan to take a long trip in the car, you yeah, here there is only one positive sentence, positive answer, right? Three are negative. So if you plan to take a long trip in the car, you must get a full tank of gas or you might run out of gas. You should get, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you should. Okay. So some cars, now electric car is there, but some uh, CNG, what? Yeah, CNG. Some cars, run by gas. Nowadays, there is no difference. Even it is diesel vehicle, diesel, petrol, there is no difference. Only 2 rupees difference. Earlier, people thought that okay, diesel vehicle will be less expensive, but nowadays, petrol vehicle, diesel vehicle, gas, everything is same, almost same. Electric vehicle is good, but the electric vehicle cost double. If the normal car is 7 lakh, the electric car, the same model electric car will be 14 lakh. So that is the price. Okay, anyway, yeah, next one.
When you are putting gasoline in a gas tank,
Mhm.
you dash smoke.
Yeah,
Forbidden. You must not.
yes, yeah, you must not. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
It's not a good idea to talk on a cell phone and drive at the same time.
yeah,
Drivers should not do that.
yes.
Second option.
Yeah, drivers should not do that. Okay. Yeah, actually, yeah, when we discussed the models, so you just go through the previous notes, okay? All the rules are explained very well in that note, where we have to use should, why not. So all the reasons are there. Here, we cannot explain all the rules, but just we are. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah. Yeah, read, please read.
In some states, it is illegal to talk on a cell phone in your car. Those drivers days use phone in their cars.
1 second. Yeah, what did you say?
Must not.
It's illegal to talk on a cell phone in your car. Those drivers. Must not, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Bravo. Okay. Oh, what happened? Okay. Yeah, please read this one.
You just help me if you don't have time. I can do the job myself.
Uh,
May not.
you dash help me if you don't have time. I can do the job myself. Yeah, there is no option. What did you say?
May not.
Um, Not may not. Uh, you may not. We cannot. We cannot say. You don't need to help me, or you should not help me. Uh, may not will not come, because if you say you may not help me, here the condition is also there. If you don't have time, if you don't have time, you don't help me. You don't need to help me. That is also not possible. We'll try. Yeah, you don't have to. You don't have to, or you don't need to. Okay. In this case, uh, you don't need to help me, or you don't have to help me. Um, yeah, should not is also not possible, but I put the wrong answer. No problem. Okay, you don't have to. Okay, keep in mind, you don't have to help me, or you don't need to help me. But if we had written you don't need to help me, then also the answer would be wrong, because it is a uh, they don't have to as the answer. So whatever we have written, we are writing other than that will be considered as wrong. Okay, review it. Yeah, try this one. Dash, you help me.
Can you help me?
Yes, can you help me?
Or could you help? Food.
Could you help me? We cannot. Could you please help me? That is okay. Could you help me? We won't say. Can you help me? We will check. Could you please help me? Is okay. Can you help me? We'll check. Will you help me? Yeah. Okay, no problem. See, in this case, can you help me? That is also okay. What they think is different, what we think is different. So this is not the question of right and correct and incorrect. But why will you help me? Uh, I don't know. There is a question mark. Correct answer is will you help me? Okay. Yeah, this one.
You dance go into that room. It's forbidden. You must not.
Yes, you must not, right? You must not go into that room. It's forbidden. That should be right. Oh, why? See, they have mustn't. So we have written must not. Both are correct only. Uh, okay, mustn't. Must not, mustn't.
Both of them only.
Yeah. So, but they have mustn't recorded in this website. So if we are not writing correct way, so it will be incorrect. Okay, anyway, we got right, but our score will be less. Okay, and next this one.
It's 2:20 and he said he had been there at 2:30.
No,
He
no, no, no,
days
no, no, not
soon.
he had. He would be, would. Okay.
He would be there at 2:30.
Mhm.
He might be here soon.
Yeah, it's 2:20, and he said he would be here at 2:30. Uh, he must be here soon. Not he. What did you say?
Might
No, not might will not come. So this is they are very sure that he is going to come. He must, he should be, he must be here, not he must be. He is, I think he would be. He said he would be here at 2:30. Mm, or he will be. Hmm?
yeah, he will be.
He should be. He should be here. Why he should be? The rule is if he should be here, because that is the expected thing. You also know, I also know. So here the conversation is going on, and one person is telling it's 2:20, and he said he would be here at 2:30. Yeah, he should be here soon. Uh, that's what we when we discussed. Do you know that rule? The car should not be parked here. Okay, and the traffic police, he is telling that the car should not be parked here. Why he is using should? He is not using he is not using his own authority, but he is using he is telling that car should not be parked. That means you also know that it is not allowed to park your car here. I also know that it is not allowed. uh, so car should not be parked here. And if traffic police is telling car must not be parked here, that means the traffic police is using his authority. Okay, here he should be here soon. That means, okay, that is agreed and it is expected. You also know that, I also know that. So in that case, in that sense, should is the right answer. uh, yeah, see, models are very tricky. So by mistake we have we will learn so much by making mistakes, out of mistakes. Okay, I have a headache. Okay, yeah, please read.
I have a headache. Dares you buy some aspirin for me?
Yeah, aspirin.
Or will?
um, will or can. Yeah, which one should I write, will or can?
Will.
Will. Okay, I I go for can, but anyway I will write will. Oh, could. Yeah, can, could. I have a headache. Could you buy? Could you buy some aspirin for me? Could you please? If we are not using please, that is also fine, I think. Um, Sometimes we cannot trust all the websites because they may not be experts. Okay, anyway, I have a headache. Could you buy some aspirin for me? Okay, our score is not moving. 43 still. Okay, please read.
There are no lights and on and no one answers the doorbell. They days be at home.
Yeah, there are no lights on and no one answers the doorbell. Yeah.
May not.
Hmm? Yeah,
May not.
they may not be at home. Check. Yeah, so here they can't be at home. There is no, see, no. So here they can't be at home means we are very sure. May not means for 50-50, may or may not. Here there are no lights on, no one answers the doorbell. So there are two clues. But through these clues, we are very sure that they are not at home. So that means they cannot be at home. They can't be at home. Okay. Yeah, it's a very hard question. But Okay, and this one?
I just come to your party. I have to work.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot.
Yeah, here won't be able to. That is also fine, I think. I cannot come to your party. I have to work. Okay, anyway, we will check. I can't come. Yeah, cannot. If I have written cannot, then also it will be wrong. You are right, but they used the short form can't. I won't be able to come. I can't come here. I have to work. Yeah, he is not making an excuse. I won't be able to come means small polite way, but here he straight away he is telling that I cannot come to your party because I have to work. I have to work. I can't come. So this is a direct. Okay. Yeah, last one.
This I make some coffee. I will do it if you will drink a cup.
Mm-hmm.
Shall I make some coffee?
Yes. Shall I? We'll check what is there, what is in their mind. Oh, that's good. That's correct. Okay, we got 50. Okay, anyway, if we okay, we go for this one. Let me make it bigger. Okay. Yeah, please read.
It best be ready by Friday as long as we don't have any unexpected problem.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Might be. No.
No.
Maybe. Maybe.
Um, I think we don't have any unexpected problems. So that means,
This network is sure.
yeah, I think it should be. Yeah, your score is 100%. Okay. Yeah, second one. You are there? Are you there?
Sorry, I go disconnect.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read.
She days to lunch. She usually goes this at this time.
Mhm.
Should have gone.
Um, sh- she usually goes at this time, so that means we are very sure. Okay, so
Must
she,
have
yeah,
gone.
she must have gone to lunch. Okay, this is, yeah, okay, 100 percentage. Yeah, third one.
If we had more time, we days have finished it. Would have.
If we would if we would we had had uh, more time, we,
Would have.
yes, yeah. See, would have shows an unreal past situation. Something that didn't happen. Could have is also possible. Okay, but yeah, would have is more certain. Okay, would have is more certain. Could have is also possible. We could have finished it. And what is the short form here? We, would or had. We had had. Okay, so this is a wish. If I had had more time, so it's completely unreal. Okay, would had, that is completely nonsense. We cannot say would had. There is no construction like that in English. Okay, would have is more certain. Could have is also possible. Okay, go ahead and read this one.
It was her birthday yesterday. We days bought her a car. I feel awful.
Awful, awful. Not a, ah,
Okay.
awful. Not, not ah, sorry. Awful. Okay. Ah, awful. Oh, oh. I feel awful.
Awful.
Yeah.
Should have.
Yeah, British accent is like awful, but American accent they will say awful. So there is a big difference between American and British accent. American people they will say God. British people will say God, G-O-D, God, oh. They always prefer oh, but Americans always prefer ah. Okay, it was her birthday yesterday. Yeah, what's the answer?
Should have.
We should have got her a card. I feel awful. Yeah, what did you say? Should have, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We didn't get her a card, so we are criticizing our past behavior. Okay. Okay, we are criticizing we didn't get her a card. So that is the meaning. Okay, we should have got her a card. Okay, ऐसा होना था लेकिन we didn't get her a card. So we are criticizing our own past behavior. Okay. Yeah, please read. Yeah.
She days be here in a minute. She only went out to get a newspaper.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. She
should be,
uh, she dash here in a minute. She only went out to get a newspaper. Yeah. Yes. Strong possibility relating to the future. Okay, strong possibility relating to the future. We have to use should. Strong possibility means there is no doubt she should be here in a minute. Okay, but in a minute that shows the future aspect. Okay. Yeah. Please read this one.
sorry I am late. I just dropped the kids off at the school.
So yeah, sorry I am late.
I must,
Yes, I must
I
drop.
must have.
No, 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 not half. We cannot use half. This is drop, the base form, the root form. Okay, so we cannot use half. If we want to use half, then the verb should be past participle. I must drop the kids off at school. Oh, what did you say?
Must,
Okay,
had to,
yeah, had to. That is the correct answer. Yeah, because why? Sorry, I am late. I had to drop the kids off at school. Oh, that is very simple. I also didn't think in that way. So he is telling that he is in a different place. So he went to drop the kids. That is why he is late. Okay, so the first action is he went for dropping the kids. So he had to drop. He had to drop. Okay. So we use had to show the a past obligation. Your score is 94. Yeah, anyway we got 94 because we did it in the second attempt. Okay, they are very kind. Okay, and read this one.
I just replied earlier, but I was out all day yesterday.
Yeah, I dash replied earlier, but I was out.
Would have,
I was out of. I was out all day yesterday. No, not would. So this is a past.
would have.
Yeah, this is a past unfulfilled activity. I could have replied earlier, but I couldn't because I was out all day yesterday. I think could have. Oh, okay. Yeah. Would have shows an unreal past situation. Would have something that did not happen. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I would have replied earlier. Okay. Yeah, but in the first question, I think, they said could have is also possible, but would have is more certain. Yeah, here is more certain because I was out all day yesterday. Yeah, would have shows an unreal past. Okay, try this one.
has been a great party if a few more people had come.
Mm-hmm.
Would have
Yeah. Yeah, it would have been a great party. Uh, yeah. For unreal past situation, right? What happened? Correct. Would have shows an unreal past situation, something that did not happen. Your score is 91 percentage. Okay. Okay, 9.
although we did not have the right tools, we
Mm-hmm.
just get the work finished on the time.
Mm-hmm.
Managed to
Yeah. Correct. Managed to is used for ability on a specific occasion in the past. Where able to is also possible. Okay. Okay. Last one.
he days passed easily if only he had spent a bit more the revising.
Mm-hmm.
Could have
Yeah, he would have passed easily. I think so. Yes, correct. Would have shows an unreal past situation, something that did not happen. Yeah, something that did not happen. Could have is also possible. Would have is more certain. So that is their rule. Okay, 93 percentage. Okay, shall we stop? Uh,
yes,
yeah, we will continue on models uh, next in the next class.